Kita cari dulu tujuan Meifu. Oh ya, sini. Kita baris.
This is a train service update. There is an additional travel time of 10 to 15 minutes on the East Rail Line between Edmonton and Guangzhou or Lok Nong Chau because of a technical fault on an engineered failure for 10 station. Train service frequency on the East Rail Line is being adjusted. Thank you for your understanding.
往烏溪沙嘅列車即將到達，請先讓車上乘客落車。
前往乌溪沙的列車即將到達，請先讓車上的乘客下車。
The train to Wukai Sha is arriving. Please let passengers exit first. 請小心列車與月台間之空隙。
請小心列車與月台之間的空隙。
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
咩巴士嘅路咁冇所謂，
請勿靠近幕布。
冇位坐冇位。
Grabe mo, antes ako nagambal.